What if all the oxygen in the world suddenly disappeared? There are two terrifying possibilities here. One would be awful, but the other would be truly catastrophic. And since I don't like leaving questions unanswered, let's dive into both. If oxygen in the air vanished for just 1 minute, chaos would erupt instantly. People would panic, and panic only makes things worse, because the more you panic, the more oxygen your body demands. With none available, you'd pass out much faster. To stand any chance, conserving energy would be crucial, and staying indoors would be your best option. But why indoors? Because oxygen forms a vital part of the ozone layer, which shields us from deadly UV rays. Without it, sunlight would burn our skin in seconds. The sky itself would darken, resembling late dusk, since fewer particles would scatter blue light. Air pressure would drop by about 21%, making your ears pop and leaving you dizzy and weak. And then comes the big one: fire. No oxygen means no flames. Every fire would be extinguished immediately. That also means engines, from cars to airplanes, would shut down. Imagine thousands of planes falling from the sky at once. The result would be catastrophic beyond imagination. But all of this is nothing compared to the second scenario. What if every oxygen molecule everywhere vanished, not just in the air but from the entire planet? That would be the end of civilization itself. Oxygen is in almost everything around us. It's in rocks, in metals, in water, in our very bodies. Without it, metals would fuse together, instantly destroying electronic devices and machinery. But that would be just the beginning. Nearly 47% of the Earth's crust is made of oxygen. Without it, the ground beneath our feet would literally collapse, causing the largest, most destructive earthquakes the planet has ever known. Buildings already weakened without oxygen to bind concrete would crumble into dust. And what about us? Humans are around 60% water, and water is H2O. Without the O in H2O, our bodies would disintegrate into gas and bone fragments. And the oceans? They would vanish too. Water would split into hydrogen, a lighter element that would rise into the atmosphere and eventually drift into space. The seas would evaporate, marine life would vanish instantly, and the Earth would become a barren wasteland. So, whether oxygen disappeared from just the air, or from everything entirely, the outcome would be devastating. 1 minute without air, mass panic, collapsing lungs, grounded planes, dark skies, no oxygen anywhere, the Earth itself crumbling, the oceans gone, and life as we know it, erased.